Hello everyone, my name is Cody Owen and I'm one of the SOLIDWORKS application experts here at MLC CAD Systems, and I'm also a certified SOLIDWORKS instructor, and I could potentially be your instructor for the Weldments training course that we're going to talk about today. Alright, so you may be asking yourself, is this class for me? If you can say that you use SOLIDWORKS quite a good bit to make multi-body parts, if you use the same profile to create parts over and over and over, if you work in the structural steel industry, and if you want to help yourself streamline the use of using 3D sketches and the use of reference planes to create some really complex geometry, then yeah, this class is for you. The SOLIDWORKS Weldments course is only one day. We can either have the class online or in person. Regardless of which option it is, it's always going to be led by a live instructor, such as myself or one of my other colleagues that's been certified in the Weldments class. And the great thing about this is you get to receive your own training manual. So that way you can, of course, follow along in class. We work exercises out of it at the end of each lesson, and then you can reference it for any information regarding the Weldments class itself. Okay, are there any prereqs to this class? There's one big one, and that's just to have taken the SOLIDWORKS Essentials course prior to this class. So the first topic that we're going to cover in the class is how to create a weldment structure. It starts off with a sketch, and we choose to create a member from that, and you know what? That's when your weldment profiles come into play. And so you'll see some of the benefits and advantages of being able to do that inside of the weldment environment. One of the other topics that we're going to cover is the corner treatment and how easy it is to set them up. You can either set it up globally, or you can even set it up by corner and specify which kind of corner treatment that you want for each one. End caps and gussets. And inside of SOLIDWORKS, we could go in there, we could sketch something in place, but using these two tools makes it so much easier to accomplish those tasks rather than creating something from scratch. When we set up these drawing views, when we set up the weldment cut list tables, even some of the specific smaller views of certain areas that we needed to grab, you can take it a step further and look at your weld table. Now 3D sketching, if you haven't used it a lot, you'll definitely get pretty familiar with it in this class, and you'll become really efficient with how to use little shortcuts here and there to make your life a little bit easier. Now the structure system was introduced a couple of years ago. Got a lot of good feedback from the customers because this tool is so powerful in itself, it's just unreal. It's based off of planes and sketches. We'll definitely go over some more of the benefits of using that tool, and of course how to use that tool in the class. See how much time you can save in the overall design process by using these weldment features, such as the corner treatments, the trimming techniques, the gussets, the weldment profiles. You'll be able to increase the overall accuracy. You're going to reduce a bunch of those costly errors that have been happening in the past. And one of the biggest benefits that I believe you can get out of the course is that you will be able to become much more efficient and successful with managing your 3D sketches and other reference geometry to take advantage of those weldment structures. If you are interested in this course, or maybe some of the other courses that we offer, and you want to learn more about them, you can check out our website. Appreciate everybody's time today. I hope to be seeing one of y'all in an upcoming class. Thanks.